Hey everybody, I am hopping on here to do a really quick tech tutorial. It is on how to find your API key in Mailchimp so that you can link your email collector form right from your website to it. Now, if you're taking care of your own website, there should be plugins or something where you can find that depending on what platform you're using. I use Mailchimp right now, so we're going to be going into Mailchimp. I'll just do a screen share and let you know how to find the API key, and whether you're doing it yourself or you need to give this info to your webmaster. The purpose of it is to link your email collector form right into your website. Okay, so this is my Mailchimp account, one of them. And to find it, we're going to go up to the Holistic Market and Psychic Fair. You see that here. We're going to go to account. And from there, we're going to go over to this little extras column and drop down. Second one is API keys. You're clicking on that. And API keys, I don't have any right now. I collect them a different way in this one, but you just click on create a key. My new API key is now ready to use. That was here, and here it is, the API key. This is what you're going to send to your webmaster, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and another tech tip tutorial for you coming to you live. Bye for now.